Alright everyone, I'll go and show you exactly creator mode on Twitch. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Go all the way to Twitch and here you will see at the top right corner creator. You just tap on it. Here says switching to creator mode. Here is a tons of some different options. First of all, you can tap edit stream info and you can change everything. Your title, go live notification, categories, add a tag, scroll down, select language your translation, and also you can add stream markers. By the way, you can share a link to your channel. As you can see here is just tap on share at the bottom right corner to your friends. On iOS devices you can share to your FaceTime and translate it. When you finish with your all this stuff, tap on done at the top right corner to save your information. Also, if you scroll down, you will see all activity. There are two options: manage your stream. You can tap on stream manage here, and here you will see all actions on your stream. Or you can scroll down and tap on see all activity, and again on the same page. Here Twitch show you new followers, subs, cheers, rates and host activity here, and of course your chat. And also you can tap send a message and write something to your chat. By the way, from this option you can tap on this little pen at the top right corner and edit screen info. When you finish, tap on done at the top right corner, and if you go back and tap on the gear icon, and you will see dashboard settings, and that means here you can disable any of your activity feeds. So just if you don't need see boost or drops, just swipe the side to the left side to disable this option, and then go back and continue your stream. At the bottom right corner tap go live and your stream will start it. So if you want to go out from this mode, you just tap on watch at the top right corner and going back to Twitch, and here you on viewer mode on Twitch app. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.